guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natashea if you're new here. My channel is about personal finance, personal growth, luxury travel, and all things luxury. So today's topic, as you can see, is about the off-white belt exclusive to MyTheresa.com. I have been having this belt on my wish list since probably like August of last year, August, September of last year, and it was either sold out or I wasn't ready to purchase it, but I finally found it and I was ready to purchase it because I put it on my wish list, and they emailed me to tell me it was back in stock. There was only one left by the time I got to the email and clicked on it. So here we are unboxing it. So I just wanted to take a second to say happy Mother's Day to everyone in the US, every mom in the US. I hope you are having a great day even though you're in quarantine. I'm hoping that you at least get to spend time with your mothers. So here is the box. I'm trying to hide my nails because, child, they're messed up. I haven't had a chance to, clean them up for this video, but here is the box. I did request the MyTheresa box. You have the option of doing that or not. I don't know if the belt usually comes with a box. Probably not. But either way, here is the box from MyTheresa. I have opened this box already, so yeah, it's a bit of a mess in there. But I also just wanted to say, for anyone who's already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. My intro is all over the place, but I'm at 143 subscribers now, and I'm so thankful for that. I'm hoping to see my channel continue to grow and for us to continue to share all the stuff that we like to purchase and finances and all the good stuff. So, alright, so if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Tomorrow I'll be doing a personal finance video. Here we go. I'm just going to go ahead and unbox it. So, it's a magnetic box. Ooh. It does come with a thank you. This package was lovingly wrapped by so-and-so. Oh, there you go. Okay. This was very beautifully wrapped before I tore through it out of excitement. And the MyTheresa sticker. It was wrapped in the black bow on the inside. And here's the belt itself. Okay. So, it is the industrial belt by Off-White. Now, a lot of people have this belt in the yellow and black combination, but I really liked this silver combination because I think it works a lot better with my closet. I have a lot of black and white items that I love wearing, and this will perfectly seamlessly be able to be used in a lot of my outfits. So some of the detail includes there we go. It says Off-White there. It's about 80 inches long in length, which means you are able to double wrap it, or if you're bigger, maybe not, but you'll still have a lot of it hanging off, which is kind of the look that these belts are usually used for. I wouldn't say it's really a formal belt. It's more like edgy belt, which I love because most of the time I do like to dress casual and edgy. But it comes with the Off-White tags here. The color combination is beautiful. It's like this silver background, Off-White, the black lettering, and the red stitching in the middle, and I absolutely love this combination. What else? I did purchase this belt for about $167 USD, and that was with no tax, no duties. Tax is duties. No shipping. It was just $167 straight. And so yeah, it was, I think, a really good deal because I think these belts usually go for $250, $280, I don't know. I think it depends on the style of the belt. There's prices ranging all over the place, above 150 to about 300-400 sometimes. I've seen some of the translucent ones be around 335 on places like Essence. So, and which, by the way, Essence does have a coupon running right now. Shop 20 for people in the US to get 20% off. But I did purchase this, like I said, from MyTheresa. So yeah, it was the perfect belt, and I can't wait to use it. I actually did specifically buy this belt because Fenty recently had a sale, and I did purchase something from them, but it is not in my size because their sizes are small, and I'm still working on my weight loss. And once I reach my goal weight, or a weight where I can wear the dress, I will show how I style the dress with this belt. So okay, that was a very quick unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this and it showed you maybe a different look for the off-white belt. I think personally black and white goes a lot more with a lot more outfits. And you know, I guess yeah, yellow and black would work too if you're into having pops, but I think this is a pop and match at the same time. I don't know, that's just me. So anyway, like I said, go ahead, like, share, subscribe to this video, to this channel. I have much more coming up. Tomorrow I have a review on Robin Hood, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much guys for watching. Happy Sunday. Bye.